Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm in the village. Okay, so
You gotta worry.
today, guys, I'm in a village, so we wrap. Okay, and this is my hijab, so no problem. So, guys, I want to show you how we just build a house in the village with not grass, not zinc, and they just build it with the sand and the wood, and the house is like the house is just perfect and good. So, guys, I want to show you how we do it. So, please come in. So, this is the floor. This is my hen, Obutinamaso, and look at the app. These ones are wood, okay, and this one too, and it's just perfect. This is the traditional way of building a house in our village, Sisala people, okay, so not easy. So we are going to the top, okay, so please come.
Bal nyebi her wote.
Yeah, take this picture. So we are going to a top, okay, so look at this.
We are going to eat.
So guys, look at this. They just finish the top and they put the zinc here so that the water will not destroy the house, so the building. And these ones are cow feces that they just use it to plaster the room. Okay, so and this so and this one is a wood. We just use this one to just, I would say it's a leather, or what should I call it? It's a leather. It's a leather that we use to just clamp this stuff. So come, let me clamp it.
Some was a fussy sitting.
This I should remove my sandals, okay?
Was no sa garla kara.
So I'm climbing it. Mbonima, kakata. So guys, this is the top of the house. We dry things there, beans, maize, so that the cows, like the hens, the goats will not just disturb you, the peace of mind in the house. So we use dry things there whenever we are in the house for the drying times. So guys, when the of the house, you see my village. Guys, look at my village. You know, beautiful, the trees, the houses, like it's so beautiful, the fresh air, even like just better. Okay, so this is my village if you're on the top of the house. So guys, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.